Come. I've got something to tell you. Do you know that there are some features you put on your studio that can harm your channel, and then there are some other features you put off that will make your videos go viral, just like this is what I've experienced, and I came here to let you know on time before it's too late. So just kindly follow me and just listen to what I have to tell you. And then when you try it out, you are surely coming to tell me thank you. My experience was that there were some instructors I followed. I carried out some instructions, and my videos became so silent, like nobody watched. I had no view at all, not even one. And then I went back, I studied it, I tried to know what went wrong or what happened and what feature I turned on. I tried experimenting, and I finally got it. Yeah, so today I'm going to tell you what you need to turn on or turn off through your YouTube studio so that you can get the desired views. And then if you got value for this video, please do well to subscribe, like, and share this video so that others can also learn from this. It's very important that you watch
All
this
right,
video
let's
till
try
the
to
end.
get
See
the
you in the
desktop version
studio.
of the
Bye.
YouTube channel. You go to your phone browser. I use Chrome. Chrome is better. And then you click on the Chrome and you type in studio.youtube.com. When you type that in, you wait for it to load. This will actually take you to the desktop version of your YouTube. Since you're using phone, if you're using your laptop, it's very easy, but for the phone you need to access your desktop version of it. Then when you click on that, it will take you to, you log in, it will take you to the desktop version or desktop interface of your YouTube channel. Yeah, now for this particular tutorials, I'm going to be using an already uploaded video for this tutorial, but you are supposed to do this before you publish your video. All right, so now I'm going to click on the content, especially the last content that was published. I click on content, and then it will take me to the place you are supposed to write your title, your description, your tags, your not made for kids, and all that. So we are there now. When you get to this particular interface, you scroll up, just like I'll be doing now. You scroll up to the end of it, you are going to see more. All right, so you click on the see more. The see more will now open you up to more tools. Like I said, the tools you need to use are all provided for you, but it's your place to either utilize them or not. Okay, so now when you click on the see more, you're going to see other tools, the tags and all that, but the actual tool we're going to be checking, or we're going to be using, is under what we call the license. All right, so now when you get to the license, under it there are two buttons that you're supposed to click or unclick. One is talking about publish to, one is the license, and then the one below it is publish to subscribers and giving notification, and that's under the licensing. Right now, you that is a new YouTuber, you don't really have many subscribers, you don't have much subscribers. So if you tick that button, that means if you put it on, that means YouTube will be publishing this particular aspect. You have the red icon, yeah, red mark there. If you switch on this particular button, it will only be pushing your videos to your subscribers, and you know that you don't have subscribers. That means you don't have views. So what you need to do, you need to unclick it, or you need to put it off, take it off before you publish your video. So it's part of the editing you are doing before you upload that video. When you click on, you switch it off, then when you do that, YouTube can now publish your advertise your videos to more people that are not your subscribers. By so doing, you're going to have more subscribers, more views, more watch hour. All right, so that is it. So if you want to get more views, this is one very important secret. And then the next one I want to show you is a bonus in this particular video, is another one. We go back to the desktop interface, and this time we're going to click on channel customization. That will take you to the profile. Then you click on the home tab. You have your profile and you have the home tab. When you click on home tab, you're going to see your channel banner, and then under it you see for you. And then where you have the for you, you're going to see learn more. Click on that learn more. You're going to see more tools there. There you have the recency and all that. So now the particular button you need to switch off is that button that is saying show to all subscribers. Rather switch on the one talking about recency. That means publish videos made within 12 months. So that means your most recent videos is what YouTube will be pushing out. And then if that is done, you're going to see that more people will see, because as you keep you doing YouTube, you are evolving, you are getting better, your thumbnail and everything. So YouTube will now be pushing out your most recent content to more people. And remember, once those contents are valuable, they will keep watching and they will continue watching. So there's no need of taking it to beyond 5 years. And no, let YouTube, when you switch on that button, it will enable YouTube or the algorithm to push your videos, to push your most recent videos, and by that you now start having more watch hours, more views, more subscribers. And so I hope you really got value in this. So how to do it is to get to your the desktop version of your YouTube, and you get that through the Chrome browser. You click on the Chrome and then you type in studio.youtube.com, and then from there you now log in and get to this desktop version of your YouTube, and that's where the magic is done. Hope you got value for this. Please ensure you do that, especially for new YouTubers. If you want to get more watch hours, more subscribers, and more, this is what I did that is giving me more views right now, more subscribers. The subscribers are just flooding in, the views are flooding in. I hope this video meets you. I hope you learned something from this, and I really wish you keep practicing this so that you get better. And then if you are not too sure of yourself, or you're not too sure of how to upload using this desktop version, in this video I'll be showing to you here, you will see another video I taught about how to upload your videos the right way. You must use this desktop version, and then that's where the miracle, that's where the wonders is done. So thank you for watching. Until I see you the next time, please like this video, comment and share. Thank you. Bye.